Okay, YouTube, motorized bike welding project is done. See, we got disc brakes on there. That's working. And cool. Got our kill switch and throttle. See, the kill switch is all zip tied in. Throttle working. Gas tank on here. Got it to clear this head. Had to weld that in. Pipe all mounted up. Permatex, if you can see that orange in there. Good seal on that. Crush the frame to clear the chain. Put a little bit of old inner tube. Got this old inner tube. Also wrapped up a little bit around where I'm going to hose clamp the pipe. See here. Wrapped the frame a few times with inner tube. And that also helped me get it away from this chain. So that chain had a little bit more clearance. But that's where we at. Chain's kind of, I may tighten it up, I may not. Got the drain. Put a cool drain on it. That was cool. When I got the motor, that little drain was on it. Guess you just like, oh yeah, it's definitely loose. So that needs to be tightened up. Yeah. Need to put a new bolt here in this thing, because that bolt's pretty ate up, if you can see that. It didn't have a nut on it, so it was just eating at it. Welded that pipe up good. Let's rotate the pedals. We're going to have some pedal extenders coming in tomorrow, because it does clear. But we're going to move them out with pedal extenders so you can actually get your feet on the pedals. But as you see, I just cleared the pipe. Let's do that one more time for y'all. Check out the other side when it's going around. Clears. Just need to get that pedal extender put on there. Let's see here. Pin hair follicles, but it does clear. Pedal chain is kind of tight, but it is what it is. I don't think I'm going to be doing too much pedaling. I'd have liked it to probably cut this bracket off, but like I say, it is what it is. Probably gonna have to continue to redo this, but that's okay. It is what it is. Only thing I gotta do is run some fuel line from here to the carb. This thing's ready to go. It's ready. We do need some fuel line, which is okay, because I ordered 10 feet of it. We got 10 feet here, because everything I've been working on needs it. This needs it. This needs it. Got a tank coming for this tomorrow. This needs it. And this is 10 feet for $10. This thing needs it. And tomorrow, I got a few more pieces coming in, go for the projects. But yeah, we on this bike right now. So we're gonna throw us some fuel line on, tighten this tank all the way up, and get it going. Then it'll be ready for test ride. See, I had to weld the brackets on top of the pole to get that petcock to clear the head. Also using an angled one. I like to say that's called a 90. 90-degree petcock, just to get some clearance. Got a little clearance there for if the motor decides to shake. I did have to grind down this this is for the throttle adjustment little plate here. I ground that down a little just to clear the frame. Everything is everything. Put a couple little braces, if you see those little reed bars. Steel bar right there, baby. Steel bar to try to support my mount. Doesn't really seem like it's going anywhere. I don't know if these things vibrate a lot. Need to put a seat on. I don't have a seat that's for a round pole right now, but that's all right because we got this one here that we gonna temporarily put on it just to get the bike all the way together. Yeah, so that's where we at. See that motor mounts is welded into the frame. Reed bar going up to them. That's pretty much it. Had to cut this choke off, cut it down, put a screw in it, drill and put a screw in it so I could still use it. All we gotta do is run fuel line. Nice little 6-inch piece of fuel line. And this thing's ready to go. Got the kill switch all wired in. Everything is everything. That's it though. And I will have approximately $15 in this bike once I put the pedal extenders on it. This is a totally free build. I had the bike frame, just cut it up a little bit and made it working. This is a 26-inch tire on the back. Let's see if we can locate that on the tire. Let's see here. So that's a 26 by 195 in the back to clear that frame. I stretched it and beat on it a little bit. This is a fixie frame, but on the front I did weld in a tab for a disc. And this here tire is a, let's see if we can get that, 27.5 by 210. Also pin hair follicles. But it's on there. I've been working with it, getting it on there. You know, got the brakes. Got a bunch of parts. And gave me a throttle. My buddy Chris, shout out to him. Got this motor from him for free with the pipe. Got the chain from him for free. Throttle from him for free. And I pretty much just pieced this bike together to try to make the best of a free setup. And this is what we end up with. I made this lean back seat pole, but like I say, I don't have a seat that'll fit on that right now. But we got that. So we'll slap that on the bike for now, get us some gas line put on it, and it's ready to rock. That's it though. Thanks for watching.